Hi, in this video, I am going to show you how to turn a logo into a QR code. This is the QR code of my logo, and the logo is adjusted in the QR code. Now, we will see how we can turn our logo into a QR code like that. First of all, open any browser and then search for QR code Chimp. Once it's open, click on QR code generator with logo. Once the site opens, it will ask you about your credentials. Once you're done, scroll down and then click on More QR Design options. First, in this tab, click on Decorate your picture, and then click on Picture to select your picture from your PC. Once it's selected, adjust this logo in the QR code. Make sure that your logo is inside the QR code. After that, click on Fill White Space, then click on the color icon where you can select the color of your QR code. Click on Choose. I know it's looking bad, but now we will see how we can make it better. I think it looks better with a white background color, so select white color again, then click on Choose. After that, click on QR Shapes where you can select the border shapes of your QR code. There are a lot of options. A heart shape will look like this. And a diamond shape will look like this. I think it looks better. Then click on Pre-Designs. These designs are not helpful for us because we are customizing our QR code personally, but we can check them out. If you see one you like, turn it to the back. After that, click on Stickers. You can select any sticker for your border or replace your logo. I think we don't need it, but there are a lot of designs you can use for other work. So let's go to the Color tab. Here we will select the color combination for our QR code. These are the color combinations that look good. Then we will stay with it. Check all the colors one by one. Now it's not good. It looks much better, but I think there's no good option. After that, scroll down. Here we can select the background color. Click on Background Color, then click on Color. Choose your color. Then click on Choose. It looks better, so let's stay with it. If not, go back to the default colors and select one. Personally, I like that one. Now it's quite good. Then click on Shapes. And here we will change the body type. Select the body type. I think the first one is better than the others. Scroll down and select the frame type. I think it will look better with a frame. Then select the eyeball type. Personally, I like that one. After that, change the scaling and reduce it. After that, click on Logos. There are a lot of logos from many platforms you can use in place of your logo. If you scroll down, there is an option to customize those logos. Then click on Decorate your picture. And here we will just adjust the background logo of our QR code. Once it's done, scroll down and click on Recreate QR code. Now you can see it looks better. After that, go back to QR code shapes and select a good shape. I think this one looks better, so we will go forward with this look. Then click on Shapes, and now we will adjust to make our logo look better in the QR code. Yes, it's done. Scroll down and reduce the eye scaling. OK, then click on QR Shapes. And now here, I will scroll down and reduce the border of our shape. Now it's better. Then reduce the padding around the eyes. No, we should turn it back and done. Click on Border Color around eyes. And then select the color. Now you can see our QR code has been created. That's the way to turn a logo into a QR code. If you want more videos like this, please comment in the comments section. And if you found this video helpful, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.